Hello everyone, Styles by Leilani here, bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we are making soap. We are making cold processed soap. I do have on my own natural bath and body care, line. So I am here making my soap for my own natural bath and body care line. And the soap I make is cold processed soap. I don't use the melt and pour. Even though nothing is wrong with the melt and pour, I just rather do it the cold process way. So here I am making my lye water solution. I have my titanium dioxide in here. This is white. This is white. Titanium dioxide helps whiten your soap. If you would like white soap, or would you like pastel colored soap, you would add a little bit either to your oils or to your lye water solution. So I just chose to add it directly to my lye water solution. So while this melts and cools off, it's really hot, we're gonna stir up our liquid oils and additives. So I'm getting my blender for that. Hold on one second. Here is my stick blender. I think I ordered this off of from online. I think it was Macy's. So I'm gonna give this a quick zap really quickly. Just wait. Okay, so now that we are done with this, we're gonna set this off to the side. Now we're gonna bring our hard oils and butters here. We're gonna pour our lye solution in. Okay, so everything is all melted with that. I'm gonna get my strainer and I'm gonna pour this right into it. And so I'm gonna just take my spatula and I'm gonna just rub everything all in. Like so. Now I'm gonna give this a stir. Okay, so as soon as all of my chunks and stuff melt down, we will be able to start soaping. It's not good to start soaping when you still have chunks of your butters and oils in your mixture. So you just have to be patient and just continue to stir, and everything will melt down due to the hot lye water solution. So you just keep stirring and pushing them over to the side to encourage them to break down, and they will eventually, it will become a smooth texture like you will see in the next slide. Okay guys, now you see the smooth consistency. Now we're going to go right ahead and pour our liquid oils and butters and additives right into our melted oils and butters lye solution. So I still have additives left at the bottom that I need to scrape out. So I am going to go in with my spatula and I'm going to scrape it all out. And this is fine because we are going to stick blend this to make sure everything is all incorporated. Nothing is left out, left behind, things of that nature. So all of these luxurious oils and butters we want to scrape out. So now I'm just going to give it a little spin just so it does not thicken up on me quicker than I want it to. So this is why I'm moving in this motion. Now I'm going to give it a quick zap with my stick blender. Make sure all the air bubbles are out. Okay, like that. And we are going to do it again. And give it a quick spin. So I see some oil left on my spoon. Just gonna scrape that all off so everything can, like I said, get all incorporated with no oils or butters left behind. It's still a pretty thin trace, so I'm going to stick blend a little bit more. Not too much, because we're going to stick blend individually as well after we add our fragrance oils and colors. Okay, so that's about enough for now. Now